Alright, so I got a 2017 Subaru WRX STI. Just put an AC on. If you are even encountering foggy defroster, or it just smells really bad inside of your car, maybe it's time to change your cabin filter. So the cabin filter for the STIs are on the passenger side. Okay, what we do is this is pretty basic. To lower this globe compartment, get a long nose plier. Just press this too. $18.
That's it. Yeah. We used to do home service back then. Shit, you know, but like 20 years.
Oh, about 20 years?
Yeah, more than 20 years.
Cabin filter, we have to lower this globe compartment. I got myself a plier here. Just pry it out. And both sides. You see it? Now it's about to fall off. Okay. Just be gentle with it. There you go. So if ever this thing fall off, you don't know where it's gonna go to. There is a right there. You see that? Just so cabin filter. Just push this down. Push. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, he definitely smells something. Alright. Let me zoom out. So this is on passenger side. Okay. And this is the new one. So it comes with an arrow indication. Just follow it. It's gonna be pushed up. The air's gonna be pushed up. So yeah, just like that. Plug it in. Install it. You gotta hear it snap. Once you hear it snap, put the globe compartment back. Okay, I would suggest start from the bottom. Okay, there you go. And then slide it back. Alright, at this point it should be like this. Okay. Now, remember this? It's like a leverage. Like a lever. Just snap it back in. Okay. That's what's gonna create that slow motion. There you go. Alright, that's it. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Yeah, this is how you replace the cabin filter of a 2017 Subaru WRX STI. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Yeah, if you want more videos about the if you want to know more videos about the WRX, just scroll through my videos. I might have some more. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.